So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we will be seeing the Apache Mahout. So it is one of the platform that is used in machine learning for the data analysis. So as the name indicate, let us know first what is the meaning of the Mahout. So we all know basically Mahout is a person who drives an elephant or it is its master. So based on that name only this language or the platform name is arise. So the name comes from its close association with the Hadoop. So as you know, we all know the logo of Hadoop is a elephant logo. So similarly, the person who is driving the elephant is known as the Mahout. So Apache Mahout is based on that concept. So Hadoop is an open source framework which we have studied about. I have a detailed video on Hadoop and the architecture of it. Link to that will be in the description. You can go through it. So in Apache Mahout, in Hadoop. It is an open source platform by Apache, which is designed by Apache that allows you to store and process the large amount of data in the along with the cluster computing system. Similarly, Mahout is also open source project which was primarily used for creating a different machine learning scalable algorithms. After that, in 2008, Lucene started a sub project which was named as Apache Mahout and it became the top level project of Apache server. So we'll see what are the different features and the details of the this project. So it was written on top of Hadoop. So it works well in the clustered or distributed environment. It is a ready-to-use framework for doing data mining tasks on the large volume of data. So it basically works on the large amount of database, means as big data platform. So it is time effective also. It works on large data but in a effective and a quick manner. There are multiple algorithms inbuilt in Apache Mahout, which is k-means, fuzzy k-means, canopy, dirichlet and mean shift. It also supports the naive Bayes, that is a distributed naive Bayes and a complementary naive Bayes classification implementation. They also include different metrics and the vector libraries. So these are some of the features provided by Mahout. So basically as Hadoop, it is also used as a big data platform in multiple organizations and companies. So we'll see the application and which companies this platform is being used. So all are aware of the Adobe, Facebook, LinkedIn and the Twitter, Yahoo. These are the top some companies which are using Mahout as their application of the project internally for the analysis of the large amount of data set. Foursquare is also one of the company which helps you to find the popular places or popular food organization, food ventures and the entertainment sectors available in a particular area. So it also uses a recommendation engine which is built in the Apache Mahout. So it is a basically Foursquare is one of the organization or one of the company which gives you the popular things near to your area based on the food, based on the place, based on the internet entertainment sector. Twitter also uses Mahout for the user interest modeling to find out the what is the specific interest of a specific user. It uses the concept of the Mahout. Also, Yahoo uses it for pattern mining to find the pattern among the data or the data set. So these are the some top organization which uses Apache Mahout as their main platform. So this is the architecture how it is being built. It is an open source project. It offers different Java libraries. So you can see here these are the some of the libraries which are available or offered by Mahout, such as collaborative filtering, clustering, classification, and some of the user-defined algorithms. There are MapReduce based APIs since it is built on top of Hadoop. So Hadoop is a MapReducer based framework. These are the different processing frameworks such as MapReducer, Yarn. You also know HDFS contents of Yarn. What is Yarn? What is HDFS? Link to that video in the description in the Hadoop playlist. You can go through it. So the HDFS is a distributed storage to store the data. In Mahout, it supports the all Hadoop platforms or libraries. So there are three categories in Mahout that support different statistical algorithms, that is the collaborative filtering, clustering and classification. These are the three main algorithm categories which are supported by Mahout, or in Mahout we can perform these analysis with the help of the different inbuilt libraries and API. So this was a small introduction about Apache Mahout. I hope everyone is clear with. So so if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe it and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The ID is in the description box. Thank you.